One man, many passions. I live my days closer to the red line. It's not about how fast I get there, but how much I get done. This channel is a message to those who want to achieve more in less time, who want to follow their passions and fulfill their dreams, because I have done it and so can you. So buckle up and experience the ride. And remember, dream big, because you are your only limit. Go ahead, do what excites you and sets your soul on fire. You got one life, my friend, just one life. Make it count. This is Dr. Fastlane signing off. Stay tuned to learn more.